Hello guys, back again with another video. And today, this is not really a video. It's just kind of an announcement on this game. Alright, so previously, well, not really previously. So recently, I got the war helicopter in this game. Like, I can tell I got it a long time ago because I already almost have half a million gun. And over time, I've been getting much better at the farming techniques. Now I'm not dying more, which is good. I think by the time this is posted, I'll be doing another video of me and my friend farming with the war helicopter if he's on tomorrow, so y'all can see I got it. Looks kinda cool. And we're actually gonna do a robbery with this before I end the video. Oh, looks like that's not open. Alright, we're just gonna wait for the bank to open, I guess. We're just gonna go rob the power plant. Wait, I'll kinda get jetpack. Okay, there. Okay, I don't know what that was just. I think it was the cloud. Alright. Sorry I haven't been posting recently, it's just I've been doing some other stuff. But I think I'm gonna start posting every day now. Well, but I can't determine if it's gonna be every day. Or if it's actually gonna be every day. I'll just try though. Okay, we got it. I don't know if that's supposed to be there, but each time sometimes when I rob the power plant, I just ragdoll. And one time that made me fall into the acid in there and made me die. Which I was kind of upset, but actually I don't know. But okay, so this is the collector, and we're out of here now. Okay, since I have Crime Boss, I know when every store opens, so it just a couple seconds ago it said that the jewelry store was open. Okay. Oh yeah, I think there's a glitch in the jewelry store because you can use your jetpack. Sorry it's silent. It's just I muted the Roblox audio because I'm recording right now. Is anybody in the server? Oh, somebody's in the server, but I think they're AFK. Alright. Sorry for the background noises. It's just that I don't really have a good mic right now. Well, that's just a big oof for me. Kinda embarrassing if you ask me. Dang, the fire rate actually kinda looks fast. But it kinda takes a long time for the miniguns to cool off. Well, if you don't shoot it that much, it won't do this. You see? Okay, that's just a new strategy I just cheated. If you have crime boss, like, in my opinion, crime boss is actually kind of overpowered if you ask me. And why is the gate not opening? Great. I think the gate's broken. I knew that. I did that on purpose, by the way. Epic cape. I don't know why they'll be wearing this. Just look, this is ridiculous, in my opinion. Well, I'm guessing I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you enjoyed this video, don't mind, then hit that subscribe button, and like and put on notifications, please. Thank you for tuning in today, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye, guys, and I'll see you in another video. Whoop. Goodbye, guys. I'll see you in another video. And I'm wondering why I keep repeating that. Sorry if I'm wasting a couple seconds of your life. Well, the last time I'm going to say, I hope y'all have a good day, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.